Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to solve Bluetooth problem in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, your Bluetooth is not working good when you connect your any device. It do not connect. It's problem guys. You have your problem with your Bluetooth setting. So wait, don't worry. In this video guys, I will show you how can you solve your Bluetooth problem and guys how can you reset your Bluetooth setting in Oppo K10 phone. So well, let's see without wasting time. So I first of all open your phone setting. Then guys click on system setting. The system setting guys you can see in your phone. So guys click here, come in last guys backup and reset option, guys reset phone, then guys you can see Bluetooth, click here and guys draw your pattern and guys reset setting. So network reset complete. So guys your Bluetooth problem will solve in Oppo K10 phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to solve Bluetooth problem. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet to next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye.